Even like because of her, trust me, I'm very thankful enough, like because of her I have opened my own small business, like we'll go and check it out, like Ankita's Lucius Confectionery House. And like because of her help only I have immensely grown, like during this lockdown also, and in past few years. So everyone, this is Ankita here. She explains you the way she teaches you, all the details that she provides you is like pretty well. Like you can join her class and basically you can start off your own business. Or that's what I did. That is the most important thing, because I've seen many cake classes, they do teach, but there is no help being given out later on. But yeah, so I would recommend you all, like, do join a class, have get an experience, and yeah, just keep baking actually.